It's time for another Tuesday's Tech Tip from Active DataComm. This week, we will briefly touch on a few tools that can use speech synthesis to give your computer the gift of speech. The primary focus of this week's tip will be speech synthesis on PCs running Microsoft Windows using tools that can be invoked from a command line. These features will be important when speech is incorporated into our ongoing series on batch files. For PCs running Microsoft Windows 2000 or later, Microsoft Narrator is included by default for use as a basic screen reader. Narrator produces very nice speech output, for example.
This is a test.
However, though there are some command line tools that can be used to cause Narrator to speak selected text, for our purposes, this offers only limited functionality and control over the speech synthesis process. For more control over the speech synthesis process itself, more options, and more voices, there are several tools available for various operating systems. The two most significant ones at this time are eSpeak and Festival. eSpeak is free, open-source speech synthesis software, licensed under the GPL, and is available for Linux, Windows, Mac OS X, and other operating systems. The primary advantage of eSpeak over Festival, on Windows PCs in particular, is its ease of installation and use. eSpeak supports a variety of voices and languages, and supplies speech output that is quite good. eSpeak also offers the user a great deal of power over the synthesis details via command line switches, which is very useful for our purposes. Let's use eSpeak to say the phrase, "This is a test." With eSpeak, this could not be simpler. At the command line, we just have to type eSpeak, open quotation mark, "This is a test," close quotation mark.
This is a test.
Here are some examples of variations easily produced with eSpeak.
This is a test. This is a test.
This is a test. This is a test.
This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. Capital. This is a capital test. This is a 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 test.
To get eSpeak, just visit the link in the description. Festival is also free software, distributed under an X11 style license, and is available for Linux, FreeBSD, OS X, and other Unix-like operating systems. Though not developed specifically for Microsoft Windows, compatible binaries do exist, and will run under Windows. Installing and using in Windows can be considerably more complex with Festival than eSpeak, and is recommended for advanced users. Festival also offers some command line control, but not as much, nor in as simple a form, as eSpeak does. Let's use Festival to say the phrase, "This is a test." Using Festival is not as simple as eSpeak, but is not too difficult. At the command line, we type echo open quotation mark, "This is a test," close quotation mark, pipe Festival --DTS. As we learned in last Tuesday's tech tip, echo just sends output, but in this case we are piping the output to Festival to be interpreted as input for speech synthesis.
This is a test.
Here are some examples of different voices produced with Festival.
This is a test.
This is a test.
This is a test.
This is a test. This is a test. To get Festival, just visit the link in the description. There are more free tools and a wide variety of proprietary commercial tools for speech synthesis, but for our purposes, eSpeak and Festival get the job done quite well and at no cost. This has been another Tuesday's Tech Tips from Active DataComm. Thank you for watching, and if you ever need help with your computer, network, website, or any IT issues, just call Clix or come by. Call us at 662-620-7996. Visit us online at www.callactive.com or stop by in Tupelo, Mississippi.